Welcome back to our Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Today, we're going to do a short, quick video talking about new Blessed Performance billet brake reservoir. On this side of the table, we have the brake reservoirs for the 05 to 10 Super Duty. On this side, we have the 03 to 11, and we have more years on the way. 99 to 04 should be here this next week, and we're pretty excited to offer these to our guys, to our customers, I should say. That being said, why do you want this? Is there an upgrade? Are you going to make more horsepower? Well, duh, you're going to make more horsepower. You got billet parts under the hood of your truck. You really know this is not a horsepower upgrade. This is kind of along the play of what we've been developing in-house. We developed the 2010 to 2018 4th Gen Ram air deflector, and then we also developed the 99 to 07 Super Duty air deflectors. Yes, we're going to make more air deflectors. We get requests every day for pretty much every truck, and we're working on it. But this goes in line with that. The concept here is that you're going to be able to order this powder coated in the same colors that you can your air deflector, or your CAC pipes, your charge air cooler pipes, and just kind of get the same theme going around the engine bay. These are pretty straightforward, there's nothing special. So right here is where you would put your OEM sensor for the 05 to 10 trucks, and inside there's your float level. It's really that simple. These are a two-piece design. All these awesome bolts right here, torque to like 5 foot-pounds. You're not trying to break that thing. It's an O-ring, so it's a Boss O-ring, and it's an O-ring inside, so it's not gonna leak. That's what's really cool about it. And this goes right on your factory master cylinder, so it'll look really clean under the hood of a truck. Same thing on the Cummins, the 03 to 11 Cummins. We have the float sensor built in. You'll put it in right there. Boom, mount it on there. No, you're not. There's no sight level. But in the reality situation, when you're filling this thing, guess what you have to have off? The cap. In order to put fluid in here, this has to come off. So I can see clear as day in there. It's really nothing for performance. We understand that, and we understand that we're Blessed Performance. But the grand scheme of things is, this is a really awesome upgrade that you can do to your truck for a couple $100s. It's going to look really clean. It's going to clean up your engine bay and get rid of those really old brake reservoirs that are just over the years have gotten really nasty looking. This is the way to upgrade it. These will be available for purchase on the website in the next couple of days. This video might not come out until they're already on the website. Who knows? That being said, they're going to be on the website. You guys can order them in any of the powder coating options that we already offer. So you can match your air deflector, your charge air cooler pipes, and anything else we come up with, because we got more stuff in the works, to where you have a complete, full designed engine bay to look all the same and look absolutely stellar. Really not much else to talk about here. They're brake reservoirs, they hold some brake fluid, they make sure you don't crash into other people. You gotta be able to stop when you're going fast. Pair this with a set of those Brembo brakes and you got money there. We really appreciate everything you guys do for us. Thank you for all the support. Feel free to give us a call, 1-800-577-2698 with any questions you have. Be sure to click like, subscribe, follow, check out all of our other social media accounts. We got them all. If it's out there, we probably have it. Once again, have a blessed day.